Living here in San Diego, we often have warm weather, sunny skies, which means we tend to show a little more skin. But some people have skin conditions that cause them to cover up because they're embarrassed. Now there is help for some of you out there. Dr. Kurt Littler from Skin Essential Sciences is here with a product called Clearista. We also have esthetician Christy Daranogue and her patient James. Thank you so much for coming in. We do appreciate it.
Thanks, Heather.
Dr. Littler, I'll start with you. Talk about the skin condition that Christy's treating James over here for.
So the skin condition is called Keratosis Pilaris, and some people know it as chicken skin. And basically what it is the top layer of skin tends to build up right around the where the hair comes out of the skin, actually, and it causes little teeny bumps that, just a lot of them, that cause a roughness to the skin. And it usually occurs on the back of the arm, sometimes on the thighs and other areas, sides, and this sort of thing.
So we're looking at a picture of an example of what this exactly is. It's not painful for folks, it's just
not painful.
A little
No.
unsightly.
Correct, yeah. And it is an area of the arms that is, oftentimes exposed, where you have short sleeves and that kind of thing. So
people want to find a way to get rid of this.
Exactly.
Now, through this product called Clearista, you found a really easy way to treat this. What happens here with this, as Christy's sort of demonstrating?
Right. So this gel, what it does is it softens that very, very top layer of skin. And since that top layer of skin is the thing that builds up right around where the hair comes out of the skin, if you can soften that, it will remove it. And when you remove it, it makes the area much smoother.
Much smoother.
Much
okay.
smoother, yeah.
Eventually,
less apparent.
will they get this to go away altogether?
It's a genetic tendency, so it doesn't go away altogether, really. So you can keep it under control, but it doesn't completely resolve.
Okay, so I'm going to get over here. I'm going to talk to Christy and James. So, Christy, tell me about the procedure you're doing. What's happening right now?
So it's actually quite simple. Just apply the gel onto the skin. This is more of like what a treatment an esthetician would do in room, but you can actually buy the gel just for aftercare.
You can do this at home, but if you want the more aggressive form of the treatment, you would go see an esthetician like yourself.
Right. So basically all I've done is I've just started to kind of put the gel on and heat up the skin. And so I've got the skin nice and relaxed at this point. I've got my little Clearista scrubby pad here, and I'm just going to use in a circular motion, just in around. So basically what I'm doing is I'm flicking up the hair follicles, and I'm getting that gel right underneath onto the epidermis of the skin.
All right, so James, is this painful?
Not at all.
Okay, you're not going to cry on
No,
TV, are you?
I'll do my best.
Is this something that was bothering you, James, or is this something that you just sort of noticed from time to time? In
No, it's always been kind of annoying. You kind of feel the dry, rough patches on your arms, and it's just nothing's really worked, so.
So this is an option that has worked for you.
Right, absolutely.
Perfect. Okay. How long would this take normally in an esthetician's office?
30 minutes. It can be pretty quick. Or if you want more of an aggressive treatment, I would do maybe 30 minutes to 45 minutes.
Perfect.
So
and will I notice a difference that same day?
Immediately, yeah.
Immediately?
Yeah, you'll feel the peaks, the rough patches that are on the skin pretty much go away, and I would just put a nice heavy balm right on top.
Right on top, okay.
And then
very
I'll
cool.
just kind of flick off the jojoba beads, and we're pretty much
There you
done.
go. Okay, now they're all over our floor.
Yeah.
Just kidding. Don't worry. We'll get somebody on that. Dr. Littler, where can folks find out more information about this? Maybe even a local dermatologist that provides this in their office?
Well, there are some local med spas and this sort of thing, and they can also call the Skin Essentials number. I don't know if we have that or not, but
we'll put that up on the screen. In
yeah.
fact, I see it right there at the bottom of your screen for folks.
Right.
There's also a great deal that Skin Essential Sciences is offering for folks that email a picture in of maybe the skin problem that you're personally dealing with. They'll evaluate your photo and they'll tell you if you're eligible to use Clearista in one of their products for your particular problem. Go to Clearista.com to email in that picture. If you do so and you book your appointment by January 31st, you're going to get 30% off the Clearista treatment. As far as other skin conditions that Clearista can help.
Well, there's another condition that can be treated called seborrheic keratosis, which is just like a thickened area in the top layer of skin. Some people call it barnacles on the skin. And they
don't give these nice names, do they? Chicken skin, barnacles.
Yeah, it doesn't sound great, does it? In any case, you can actually soften these up and remove them with a little pen that Clearista has developed.
There you go. So some options for people that may have other skin conditions as well. Christy, James, thank you so much for coming in today. Dr. Littler, thank you as well. We'll give the email address or the website one more time, Clearista.com. Again, that's Clearista.com. More information is there, and they'll make sure to help you find a local dermatologist or esthetician in our area that offers the service and product as well. Coming up, the most effective way to lose weight. There are many options when it comes to weight loss surgery. We are showing you the safest way to drop the pounds. And let's get out to Renee.
Good morning. It is Christmas celebration time here at SeaWorld. We got the great characters and the great food. Hey, coming up, how you can win free tickets to our private party on Friday. We're going to have the code word coming up on San Diego Living. Merry Christmas!